Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your phone heating while charging. Of course we are talking about HONOR Magic 8 Pro. So the first thing, most important thing, it's normal if you are charging your device using the fast charging method. Of course it's always normal, don't worry about that. But if you don't, we need to do something about this. At first, open your device and go to the settings. Here, once in the settings, go to the battery over here. Once you're in the battery, scroll down to the battery use. Now search for the most battery usage by application in your device. As you can see here, they have a lot of system applications, but if these are not system applications, like for example Google Play Store, Google, Gmail, etc., go to this application and tap Launch Settings. Disable automatically, disable or in background, disable secondary launch, and disable auto launch. So that's do this with every single application. Don't really care about notifications, and everything should be fine. Apart from that, use original charger and a cable. If you're using non-original charger, non-original cable, or any other things like that may be damaged, your device may hit because of the lack of certificates. Apart from that, what I do recommend doing is to avoid using your device while charging. For example, of course, gaming. If you are gaming while charging, gets incredibly bad for your battery, so just don't do so. And as you can see now on my device, there is no case. There is no protective case. Try charging your device with no case like I do have here, and everything should be fine. And as a last resort, charge in a cool and ventilated area. Everything should be fine. Don't put your phone in the freezer or in some other fridge. Don't do so, please. Just don't put your phone under your blanket. Everything should be fine. Or don't charge your device in a car during the summer. And if you still have your phone heating, contact device support and have it fixed for you. Just leave them some product number, product serial number, etc., and of purchase, and everything should be fine. Goodbye.